everyone, today we're gonna learn how to knot. Whether you're knitting or crocheting, you can use this technique. It's super easy and super strong. At the end, the knot is super small, so you can just use it. Okay, we have two ends. One of them is blue and the other is white. I'm gonna hold the blue end with my left hand, and I'm gonna hold the white one with my right hand. I'm gonna put right end on top of the left end, and I'm gonna make a cross. I'm gonna hold this cross with my left thumb. Okay, I secured it, and an inch is gonna be enough, no more than an inch. Also, we're gonna make a round with this white one, which is the right side. Okay, we're gonna make a round and we're gonna secure this end between our thumb and index finger. Now we're gonna do a quarter circle, which is around this second end. Okay, after that we're gonna hold everything like that, and we gently push this second end into the circle that we created with our thumb. Okay, we pull through it in this circle. Now we're gonna fasten this all four, and see, it's super strong, nothing is gonna happen. You can cut the ends as short as you like, nothing is gonna happen. Thanks for watching.